Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to place a reorder. When you're on the main screen looking at your designs, you're going to click the Orders tab at the top. From there, find the design that you want to reorder. Click View Order. And it's going to take you to the previous summary page, and then click the blue Reorder button. It's then going to take you to where you can adjust the quantity. You can choose one of your previous addresses you've used or click Add a new shipping address to change it. We're going to go with a previous one. Click Use Selected Destination. Get Shipping Methods. It's then going to give you some different shipping options, so you'll pick the one that works best for you. Then click Next to review your order. From here, if all the information, including the proof, the shipping address, and the pricing all looks correct, you're going to click Approve Order. From there, once we receive payment, this will go straight into production and your ship dates will be locked in.